Halo semuanya, pada video kali ini kita berlatih untuk mengartikan apa yang diucapkan orang dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Kita akan mulai dengan kalimat-kalimat yang pendek dan mudah dulu, lalu secara bertahap menuju ke kalimat yang lebih panjang dan kompleks. Kalimat bahasa Inggrisnya akan diucapkan 2 kali, dan cobalah untuk menerjemahkan arti atau maksud dari kalimat tersebut ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Lalu, cocokkanlah jawaban kamu pada akhir setiap kalimat. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
My uncle is a pilot. My uncle is a pilot.
Paman saya adalah seorang pilot.
Is John an accountant at that office? Is John an accountant at that office?
Apakah John seorang akuntan di kantor itu?
Waiters serve food and drinks in restaurants. Waiters serve food and drinks in restaurants.
Pelayan menyajikan makanan dan minuman di restoran.
She is a talented graphic designer. She is a talented graphic designer.
Dia adalah seorang desainer grafis yang berbakat.
My father works as a teacher at an elementary school. My father works as a teacher at an elementary school.
Ayah saya bekerja sebagai guru di sebuah sekolah dasar.
This house has a strong foundation. This house has a strong foundation.
Rumah ini memiliki fondasi yang kuat.
She taught me a simple method. She taught me a simple method.
Dia mengajarkan saya sebuah metode sederhana.
This species lives in the jungle. This species lives in the jungle.
Spesies ini hidup di hutan.
She tried to force the lock. She tried to force the lock.
Dia mencoba memaksa membuka kunci itu.
Her actions made everyone feel happy. Her actions made everyone feel happy.
Tindakannya membuat semua orang merasa senang.
My sister is not a baker. My sister is not a baker.
Kakak perempuan saya bukan seorang pembuat roti.
My cousin is not an electrician. My cousin is not an electrician.
Sepupu saya bukan seorang teknisi listrik.
Is your friend a journalist at that media outlet? Is your friend a journalist at that media outlet?
Apakah temanmu seorang jurnalis di media itu?
Who works as a doctor in that hospital? Who works as a doctor in that hospital?
Siapa yang bekerja sebagai dokter di rumah sakit itu?
My aunt works as a chef at a famous restaurant. My aunt works as a chef at a famous restaurant.
Tante saya bekerja sebagai koki di sebuah restoran terkenal.
She has a YouTube channel about food. She has a YouTube channel about food.
Dia memiliki saluran YouTube tentang makanan.
We need to establish clear rules for this project. We need to establish clear rules for this project.
Kita perlu menetapkan aturan yang jelas untuk proyek ini.
A good leader needs a steady temperament. A good leader needs a steady temperament.
Seorang pemimpin yang baik membutuhkan temperamen yang stabil.
They dispense free food to the poor. They dispense free food to the poor.
Mereka membagikan makanan gratis kepada orang miskin.
He proved his mettle as a leader. He proved his mettle as a leader.
Dia membuktikan ketangguhannya sebagai seorang pemimpin.
This makes no sense. This makes no sense.
Ini tidak masuk akal.
It almost never rains here. It almost never rains here.
Di sini hampir tidak pernah hujan.
The weather is usually hot in July. The weather is usually hot in July.
Cuaca biasanya panas di bulan Juli.
I don't like to speak in public. I don't like to speak in public.
Saya tidak suka berbicara di depan umum.
The box is almost empty. The box is almost empty.
Kotak ini hampir kosong.
We would like to stay here tonight. We would like to stay here tonight.
Kami ingin menginap di sini malam ini.
He comes round once a week. He comes round once a week.
Dia datang seminggu sekali.
There was heavy traffic on the way. There was heavy traffic on the way.
Ada kemacetan parah di jalan.
Asia is much larger than Australia. Asia is much larger than Australia.
Asia lebih besar dari Australia.
I hurried in order to catch the first train. I hurried in order to catch the first train.
Saya bergegas untuk naik kereta yang pertama.
It needs focus and careful steps. It needs focus and careful steps.
Ini membutuhkan fokus dan langkah hati-hati.
I prefer to sleep in the dark. I prefer to sleep in the dark.
Saya lebih suka tidur dalam gelap.
Trying new things can be scary but exciting. Trying new things can be scary but exciting.
Mencoba hal baru bisa menakutkan tapi menyenangkan.
Sometimes, but careful work is still important. Sometimes, but careful work is still important.
Kadang-kadang, tetapi pekerjaan hati-hati tetap penting.
I prefer eating at home with family. I prefer eating at home with family.
Saya lebih suka makan di rumah, bersama keluarga.
I'm sorry for making you wait outside. I'm sorry for making you wait outside.
Maaf, telah membuatmu menunggu di luar.
I can jump about 2 meters high. I can jump about 2 meters high.
Saya bisa melompat setinggi sekitar 2 meter.
It's important to be kind and gentle. It's important to be kind and gentle.
Penting untuk bersikap baik dan lembut.
Mistakes are part of learning, don't worry. Mistakes are part of learning, don't worry.
Kesalahan adalah bagian dari belajar, jangan khawatir.
Being friendly makes life more enjoyable. Being friendly makes life more enjoyable.
Bersikap ramah membuat hidup lebih menyenangkan.
You should dispose of batteries properly. You should dispose of batteries properly.
Anda harus membuang baterai dengan benar.
The school is located in a quiet residential zone. The school is located in a quiet residential zone.
Sekolah terletak di zona perumahan yang tenang.
What is the background of the story? What is the background of the story?
Apa latar belakang ceritanya?
There is a swing in the backyard. There is a swing in the backyard.
Ada ayunan di halaman belakang.
My home is comfortable and cozy. My home is comfortable and cozy.
Rumah saya nyaman dan hangat.
She is jealous of her sister's success. She is jealous of her sister's success.
Dia iri dengan kesuksesan adiknya.
She accepted the job offer. She accepted the job offer.
Dia menerima tawaran pekerjaan itu.
The human body is amazing. The human body is amazing.
Tubuh manusia itu menakjubkan.
He feels frustrated because his computer is broken. He feels frustrated because his computer is broken.
Dia merasa frustrasi karena komputernya rusak.
I wear a raincoat on rainy days. I wear a raincoat on rainy days.
Saya memakai jas hujan pada hari hujan.
Singapore is a small country. Singapore is a small country.
Singapura adalah negara kecil.
I used to take a walk every morning. I used to take a walk every morning.
Saya terbiasa berjalan kaki setiap pagi.
Good students study hard. Good students study hard.
Murid yang baik belajar dengan tekun.
The telephone rang several times. The telephone rang several times.
Telepon itu berdering beberapa kali.
This bridge was built 2 years ago. This bridge was built 2 years ago.
Jembatan ini dibangun 2 tahun yang lalu.
Where have you been this week? Where have you been this week?
Kemana saja kamu seminggu ini?
The fruit went bad. The fruit went bad.
Buah itu menjadi busuk.
Please come to my house. Please come to my house.
Silakan datang ke rumah saya.
I fell asleep before my father came home. I fell asleep before my father came home.
Saya tertidur sebelum ayah saya pulang ke rumah.
Take off your coat and make yourself at home. Take off your coat and make yourself at home.
Lepas jaketmu dan buat dirimu senyaman di rumah.
I enjoy writing about adventures. I enjoy writing about adventures.
Saya suka menulis tentang petualangan.
I sit in the chair by the window. I sit in the chair by the window.
Saya duduk di kursi dekat jendela.
What kind of car do you like best? What kind of car do you like best?
Mobil jenis apa yang paling kamu suka?
Why are you walking so slowly? Why are you walking so slowly?
Kenapa kamu berjalan begitu pelan?
Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car?
Apakah kamu tahu cara mengendarai mobil?
Why do people sometimes get so angry? Why do people sometimes get so angry?
Mengapa orang kadang merasa sangat marah?
Have you ever tried eating sushi before? Have you ever tried eating sushi before?
Pernahkah kamu mencoba makan sushi sebelumnya?
What do you do when feeling angry? What do you do when feeling angry?
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat merasa marah?
How do you feel when you don't sleep enough? How do you feel when you don't sleep enough?
Bagaimana perasaanmu jika tidak cukup tidur?
I can cook scrambled eggs easily for breakfast. I can cook scrambled eggs easily for breakfast.
Saya bisa memasak telur orak-arik dengan mudah untuk sarapan.
My dream is to travel the world. My dream is to travel the world.
Impian saya adalah berkeliling dunia.
She fell into a deep slumber. She fell into a deep slumber.
Dia tertidur lelap.
The old woman claimed to see ghostly hallucinations. The old woman claimed to see ghostly hallucinations.
Wanita tua itu mengaku melihat halusinasi hantu.
He lost his vision in an accident. He lost his vision in an accident.
Dia kehilangan penglihatannya dalam kecelakaan.
She is the ideal candidate for the job. She is the ideal candidate for the job.
Dia adalah kandidat yang ideal untuk pekerjaan itu.
She was lost in a pleasant reverie. She was lost in a pleasant reverie.
Dia tenggelam dalam lamunan yang menyenangkan.
Our society is changing rapidly. Our society is changing rapidly.
Masyarakat kita berubah dengan cepat.
The community center offers various programs. The community center offers various programs.
Pusat komunitas menawarkan berbagai program.
The whole clan gathered for the family reunion. The whole clan gathered for the family reunion.
Seluruh keluarga besar berkumpul untuk reuni keluarga.
My family is very important to me. My family is very important to me.
Keluarga saya sangat penting bagi saya.
I feel tired without enough sleep. I feel tired without enough sleep.
Saya merasa lelah tanpa cukup tidur.
We go shopping on weekends. We go shopping on weekends.
Kita pergi belanja pada akhir pekan.
We have a barbecue in the backyard. We have a barbecue in the backyard.
Kami mengadakan barbeque di halaman belakang.
Can you hand the keys to the receptionist? Can you hand the keys to the receptionist?
Bisakah kamu menyerahkan kunci kepada resepsionis?
She handed over the company to her son. She handed over the company to her son.
Dia menyerahkan perusahaan kepada putranya.
The thief was ordered to hand over the stolen goods. The thief was ordered to hand over the stolen goods.
Pencuri diperintahkan untuk menyerahkan barang curian.
Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your dreams.
Jangan menyerah pada mimpi-mimpi Anda.
The future of mankind is uncertain. The future of mankind is uncertain.
Masa depan umat manusia tidak pasti.
Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book?
Bolehkah saya meminjam bukumu?
The background color is too bright. The background color is too bright.
Warna latar itu terlalu terang.
Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek.
Mari bermain peta umpet.
The government allocated funds for disaster relief. The government allocated funds for disaster relief.
Pemerintah mengalokasikan dana untuk bantuan bencana.
They intend to move to the city. They intend to move to the city.
Mereka berniat pindah ke kota.
This symbol means danger. This symbol means danger.
Simbol ini berarti bahaya.
You should apply for a scholarship. You should apply for a scholarship.
Kamu harus mengajukan beasiswa.
Can you send the message now? Can you send the message now?
Bisakah kamu mengirim pesan sekarang?
They gave us a surprise party. They gave us a surprise party.
Mereka memberikan kami pesta kejutan.
The store ships directly to customers. The store ships directly to customers.
Toko itu mengirimkan barang langsung ke pelanggan.
She was surprised by the gift. She was surprised by the gift.
Dia terkejut dengan hadiahnya.
I forwarded the complaint to the customer service. I forwarded the complaint to the customer service.
Saya meneruskan keluhan itu ke layanan pelanggan.
We need to fight against badness. We need to fight against badness.
Kita perlu melawan keburukan.
The bag is very heavy. The bag is very heavy.
Tas itu sangat berat.
The teacher allocated books to students. The teacher allocated books to students.
Guru membagikan buku kepada siswa.
The police are investigating the accident. The police are investigating the accident.
Polisi sedang menyelidiki kecelakaan itu.
The car is too small to accommodate all of us. The car is too small to accommodate all of us.
Mobil itu terlalu kecil untuk menampung kita semua.
Sleep is important for our health. Sleep is important for our health.
Tidur penting untuk kesehatan kita.
My family goes on vacation together. My family goes on vacation together.
Keluarga saya pergi liburan bersama.
We cook together on weekends. We cook together on weekends.
Kita memasak bersama pada akhir pekan.
We play video games in the evening. We play video games in the evening.
Kami bermain video game di malam hari.
I study in my room after school. I study in my room after school.
Saya belajar di kamar saya setelah sekolah.
I need a cold drink to refresh myself. I need a cold drink to refresh myself.
Saya butuh minuman dingin untuk menyegarkan diri.
I am tired of doing the same thing daily. I am tired of doing the same thing daily.
Saya lelah melakukan hal yang sama setiap hari.
She likes to read before bed. She likes to read before bed.
Dia suka membaca sebelum tidur.
We are excited to start our new project. We are excited to start our new project.
Kami bersemangat untuk memulai proyek baru kami.
She enjoys talking with her friends. She enjoys talking with her friends.
Dia menikmati berbicara dengan teman-temannya.
She climbed the tree to get the fruit. She climbed the tree to get the fruit.
Dia memanjat pohon untuk mendapatkan buah.
Please accept this gift from me. Please accept this gift from me.
Tolong terima hadiah ini dari saya.
I want to cancel my order. I want to cancel my order.
Saya ingin membatalkan pesanan saya.
She can read English well. She can read English well.
Dia bisa membaca bahasa Inggris dengan baik.
They visited the bookstore yesterday. They visited the bookstore yesterday.
Mereka mengunjungi toko buku kemarin.
We read the instructions before starting. We read the instructions before starting.
Kami membaca petunjuk sebelum mulai.
He prefers a quiet place to work. He prefers a quiet place to work.
Dia lebih suka tempat yang tenang untuk bekerja.
He looked out the window to see the view. He looked out the window to see the view.
Dia melihat keluar jendela untuk melihat pemandangan.
He wore a warm coat because it was cold. He wore a warm coat because it was cold.
Dia mengenakan mantel hangat karena dingin.
The children watched a cartoon. The children watched a cartoon.
Anak-anak menonton kartun.
The waiter was very polite to the guests. The waiter was very polite to the guests.
Pelayan itu sangat sopan kepada para tamu.
She likes to keep everything clean. She likes to keep everything clean.
Dia suka menjaga segala sesuatu tetap bersih.
They jumped together at the park. They jumped together at the park.
Mereka melompat bersama di taman.
Please close the door when you leave. Please close the door when you leave.
Tolong tutup pintu saat kamu pergi.
The music played softly in the background. The music played softly in the background.
Musik dimainkan lembut di latar belakang.
The island is known for its beaches. The island is known for its beaches.
Pulau itu terkenal dengan pantainya.
The river is very wide and deep. The river is very wide and deep.
Sungai itu sangat lebar dan dalam.
He carried a heavy bag on his shoulder. He carried a heavy bag on his shoulder.
Dia membawa tas berat di bahunya.
The beach is crowded in the summer. The beach is crowded in the summer.
Pantai itu ramai di musim panas.
My friend helped me with my homework. My friend helped me with my homework.
Temanku membantuku dengan PR-ku.
He borrowed a book from the library. He borrowed a book from the library.
Dia meminjam buku dari perpustakaan.
She enjoys hiking in the mountains. She enjoys hiking in the mountains.
Dia suka mendaki di pegunungan.
She enjoys fishing at the lake. She enjoys fishing at the lake.
Dia suka memancing di danau.
We sat under the tree to have a picnic. We sat under the tree to have a picnic.
Kami duduk di bawah pohon untuk piknik.
He is always happy on sunny days. He is always happy on sunny days.
Dia selalu bahagia pada hari-hari cerah.